Welcome to a series where Persian culture, everyday expressions, and what people really mean finally make sense.
Hey, this is for you. I really wanted you to have it.
Oh, wow, that's so kind. Thank you.
qābel-e shomā nadāre.
Sorry, what does that mean? Wait, are you saying it's not good enough for me?
No, not at all. Definitely not.
Then why would you say that right now?
Because Persian politeness
Likes to mess with people. Okay, seriously, what does it actually mean?
literally, it means this isn't worthy of you. But culturally, it means the exact opposite.
So you downgrade the gift to upgrade the respect?
Exactly. I'm honoring you, not the thing.
That would sound rude in English.
English complements the object. Persian complements the person.
Okay, that's actually really beautiful. Seriously? You're really doing this again?
Yep. qābel-e shomā nadāre.
You have to insist. By the way,
We made a cheat sheet for this full episode.
it shows exactly what you learned, step by step.
Grab it from the pinned comment.
To know Persian is to understand its soul. Don't miss the next episode. Stay curious, stay cultured, stay with the Persianaire.